Hi, this is James Murphy, and I am going to give you Mrs. S's evaluation. Thank you, Mrs. S, for taking the time to visit with me today. I see that you were referred due to previous test results. I would like to take this opportunity to go over the reported issues. Your time is very important, and I want to be sure we are successful in gaining your insight and a path forward to recovery. In reviewing the tests and assessments that you have previously taken, I see that you are a 29-year-old female student and you are right-handed. You have been referred to me for concerns of attentional functioning. Reviewing the number of tests that you have taken, I can see that you tested in the average range for most of your results. However, there is a concern that your anxiety may have caused an influx with some of your scoring and led me to believe we have need to do further testing in the area of anxiety disorders. I would like to take a moment and mention some of the more positive takeaways here. Your tests, on average, seem to indicate you are stable. Your cognitive ability tested average. Your achievement was in the expected area. I do see that there is a lag in your math experience, and that struggle did show up in the test as well. Your information processing, attention, language, physio abilities, memory, executive functions were measured to be average as well. Though your attention does seem to be the lower range due to the math, lack of reading capabilities, and once again anxiety. Some concern is noted, however, around the struggle with your math calculations, reading capabilities, and difficulty remaining focused throughout testing. The scores were somewhat lower, and with regards to your memory lags, depression, and extreme anxiety. I would make the recommendation that you take an additional assessment, the Adult ADHD Self-Report Scales by ASRS V1.1. Your disability criteria has been met, and therefore you should do your best to adhere to these accommodations until further testing is completed as resulted and results in treatment are provided. So here's some bullet points for you. Frequent breaks, keep the environment distraction free, written reminders to enhance learning and recall. Do not multitask, work on one thing at a time. Keep a journal or a notebook and write it all down. Train yourself to do things the same way over and over, putting your keys away in the same place. Place your purse or cell phone in a consistent, easy place to find it. References. Thank you.